Making pizza at home is an exciting culinary adventure that allows for creativity and customization. To begin, gather all your essential ingredients: high-quality flour, yeast, salt, water, and olive oil for a tender and flavorful crust. For the toppings, select your favorites. Whether it's classic tomato sauce, rich cheese, or a medley of fresh vegetables and savory meats, the choices are limitless. Start by preparing the dough. In a mixing bowl, combine flour, yeast, and salt, creating a well in the center. Gradually pour in warm water and olive oil, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic, a tactile pleasure that promises a delightful base. Once kneaded, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it with a damp cloth, and let it rise in a warm place until doubled in size, approximately 1 hour. The anticipation builds as the dough develops flavor and texture. As the dough rises, prepare your toppings. If using store-bought tomato sauce, consider enhancing its flavor with herbs like oregano and basil. Grate or slice your cheese and chop vegetables finely to ensure even cooking. Meats can be pre-cooked or sliced thin to achieve the perfect crispiness during baking. Preheat your oven to its highest setting, typically around 475 degrees, 245 degrees, and place a pizza stone or baking sheet inside to heat up, ensuring a crispy crust when baking. After the dough has risen, punch it down and turn it out onto a floured surface. Divide it into individual portions if making personal pizzas. Roll out each portion into your desired thickness, round or rectangular. Transfer the dough onto a sheet of parchment paper for easy transfer to the oven. Spread a thin layer of sauce, then sprinkle generously with cheese and artfully arrange your chosen toppings. The visual of vibrant ingredients layered atop the dough is a feast for the eyes. Carefully slide the parchment paper with the assembled pizza onto the preheated stone or baking sheet. Bake for about 10-15 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese bubbles enticingly. Once done, remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool slightly before slicing. The aroma wafting through your kitchen indicates success as you prepare to indulge in your delicious homemade creation, a masterpiece to be savored with family and friends. Enjoy your meal and subscribe to Always Mabel Canada. Click the notification bell icon to get notified whenever there is a new uploaded videos.